If you see the warning saying check Auto Gearbox in your Renault car equipped with the EDC transmission, don't rush to buy the super expensive clutch pack, as a lot of forums recommend these days. Yes, the EDC is the dual clutch transmission with dry clutches that cost you a fortune to replace, but there are other issues that can cause this message to pop up on the dash. First of all, check the 12-volt battery. This is a very common culprit for this warning, and it can be solved on your own by just charging the battery with an external charger. Also, if the battery is older than 5 years, I would just replace it with the new one. One more issue is just the glitch of the transmission control unit. Sometimes you can fix it just by disconnecting the 12-volt battery for 5 to 7 minutes. It will reset and the problem will be gone for some time. Unfortunately, the transmission control units in these EDC transmissions are known to be faulty. Clutch packs in these transmissions usually last between 130 and 160,000 kilometers or up to 100,000 miles. If you experience serious punching when shifting from first to second, and also engine RPM going unexpectedly high when shifting, this is a clear indication of clutch problems, but it should only be replaced after professional inspection, not as a wild guess repair, since the clutch pack is well over 1,200 euros and the labor is more or less the same.